Okay. Now, very important concept I am going to tell you, that is foot of perpendicular parts. Intermediate point of view is also very important. Of course, as well as for the MCET and mains advanced level, this concept is very important. So, for even an IP also, 7 marks question type public examination. Okay. That is foot of perpendicular. Foot of perpendicular. The concept is foot of perpendicular. There is a theorem or question. Okay, I am writing that question. If h comma k be the foot of perpendicular, drawn from x1 y1 to a line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. It's very important. You take it as a theorem or a problem. It is one of the important concepts in intermediate, that in particularly in straight lines, it is one of the important concept for intermediate level. Okay. Sorry, it's me, right? Okay. Important one, foot of perpendicular. I will draw the diagram and I will explain the detailed concept. And base depends on this concept. We are going to teach the next concept, that image of image of a point with respect to a line. Foot of perpendicular. What is meant by foot of perpendicular? You see here, foot of perpendicular. Perpendicular like a foot, kalu. This is the foot of perpendicular. Drawn from x1, y1, foot of perpendicular is h comma to a variable line. This line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Let it be a and this one is b. Okay. Foot of perpendicular like this. Okay. This is perpendicular and the line. This is called foot. That foot is always on the line only. That is very important. This point is x1 y1. We are going to draw perpendicular from x1 y1. And what is the foot? x1 h comma k. Then formula is h minus x1 is equal to k minus y1 h minus x1 k minus y1. In denominator ఏమన్నా చూడండి, x coefficient here, y coefficient here, and minus of, you substitute that point here, this point x1 y1, ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. That we have to going to prove this one. This is one of the important questions. So how to prove this one? You see, this one and this one is perpendicular. Whenever two lines are perpendicular, the product of the slopes is equal to minus 1. Okay? I am assuming this is L. Line, I am taking line as L. So, what about the proof? AB is perpendicular to L is equal to 0. AB means this line is perpendicular to this one. That means slope of AB into slope of line L is equal to 0 is minus 1. The slope of the line AB, slope of this line L is equal to 0 is minus 1. Okay? What about the slope of AB? When 2 points are given, what will be the slope of that one? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into, okay, into slope of the line L is equal to 0. What about the slope of this line? Minus of x coefficient by y coefficient is equal to minus 1. Okay, you got my point? This line and this line. These two are perpendicular. Okay. Whenever two lines are perpendicular, product of their slopes is equal to minus 1. What about the slope of these two? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. What about the slope of this line? Minus a by b. Okay. Now minus minus gets cancelled. So you can write like k minus b is here only, or you can write k minus y1 into a is equal to h minus x1 into b, or you can write h minus x1 by a. h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b. h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b. Let it be some t, and I am assuming this one as equation 1. So half of the theorem completed successfully. h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b. Because lines are perpendicular, slopes product is equal to -1, then you got this equation. But you have to prove these two equal to this one. How to prove? Let it be some t or whatever letter you like. Now from this you can write h is equal to cross multiply. Then you multiply this one, what you will get here? At plus x1. Then what about k? Multiply these two, you will get bt plus y1. Okay? H is equal to at plus x1, k is equal to bt plus y1. But h comma k lies on, you see the diagram, h comma k lies on the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That means, so this point lie on the line. So you substitute the point here. That is ah plus bk plus c is equal to 0. Ah plus bk plus c is equal to 0. So you replace h comma k. Here you replace, that is a of h means at plus x1 plus b of k means bt plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. What we are going to find? The value of t here, because we are going to prove t is equal to this one. So a square t plus ax1 b square t plus by1 plus c is equal to 0. So you take t terms on one side, t of a square plus b square is equal to, you take the remaining terms to another side, that is ax1 plus by1 plus c. These three terms doesn't contain the letter t, so you take them onto another side. So this will be, now t is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Okay, now from the equation 1, from 1, what is 1? In the equation 1, h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to t. But t can be replaced as minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. I am explaining one more time. Listen, it's one of the important concepts in intermediate and the mains and advanced whatever the examinations. It is one of the important. You have to use this concept in the secondary itself, secondary topics also. So you have to listen carefully and you have to by heart this formula. Okay? This will be the proof of this one. Proof is also important for 7 marks in IP exam. Okay? So we have to learn this one. Now I am explaining you. The question is, we are drawing a perpendicular projection on a line that passing through h comma. Foot of perpendicular is h comma k, and we are drawn perpendicular from x comma y to the line. What is the equation of this line? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Now by observing the diagram, this line and this line is perpendicular. So slope of this line into slope of this line. This line slope is minus a by b. Product is equal to -1. So from this we got some condition, half of the condition. So we have to find this value. Let it be is equal to t. From this we got the values of h and k. Okay. But h comma k lie on the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So you substitute the point h comma k in the given equation and replace h comma k as at plus x1. You will get the value of t. Then you replace the value of t here. Then that will be the result for this question. Okay, take a screenshot for this one. I will give one example and then after that I complete the class. Conclude the class. Okay, right. will give one example. Find the foot of perpendicular. Find the foot of perpendicular drawn from 2 comma minus 3 to the line. Find the foot of perpendicular. Example question. Find the foot of perpendicular drawn from minus 2 comma 3 upon a line 3x minus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. 3x minus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. So drawn from means this one is x1 comma y1 and this one is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. What about the foot of perpendicular? Foot of perpendicular always assumed as h comma k. So from this formula we can write h minus x1 by a. What is a here? 3. K minus y1 by b is equal to, okay, h minus x1. H comma k be the, I will write the solution also like that. Let h comma k be the foot of perpendicular. Now h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus of, what is the formula? This one. I told you, just you replace that in this equation. You replace this point in this equation. 3 of minus 2 minus 4 of 3 plus 5 by a square, 3 square plus minus 4 whole square. Root is not there. So that is h plus 2 by 3, k minus 3 by minus 4. This is minus 6, minus 12, minus 18 plus 5, minus 13. That is 13 by 25. Okay, now minus 6, minus 12 plus 5, minus 18, that is minus 30, that is plus 13 by 25. Now equate these two. What we will get? H plus 2 is equal to 26 by 25. H is equal to 26 by 25 minus 2. That is 1 by 25. Sorry. 26 minus 50 by 25. That is minus 24 by 25. And equate these two. What we get? K minus 3 is equal to minus 52 by 25. Now k is equal to 3 minus 52 by 75. That is 75 minus 52. That is 23 by 25. This is k and this one is h. Therefore h comma k is equal to minus 24 by 25 and 23 by 25. This is the formula. Okay? మనం చేసిన ఆన్సర్ కరెక్ట్ కాదు, we can verify our answer also because this is the foot of perpendicular. This one is h comma k. This h comma k lies on this line. So you substitute the point in the given equation. If it satisfies, our answer will be correct. Note. Verification. Note and verifying. Verification. Our answer is correct or wrong? Just 3 of x. X means minus 24 by 25 minus 4 of y 23 by 25 plus 5. So what about the LCM? That is 25 minus 72 minus 80 plus 12. What about this one? 80 plus 12, 92. 125. Okay, we just verify the point. If it satisfies, then our answer will be correct. If not, there may be some change. Okay, if there is correction, we correct it. Okay, and you can do the same problem in a different way also. By using this formula, you can find this foot of perpendicular. Otherwise, we can do in different way also. That is, this is the diagram for the question. What is the line? 3x minus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. What about this point? Minus 2 comma 3. We have to find this point. This point is nothing but point of intersection of these two lines. Okay? Point of intersection of those two lines. So, first you find the equation of this one. What is the slope of this one? Slope is equal to 3 by 4. And what about the slope here? If it is 3 by 4, the slope is equal to minus 4 by 3. Okay? This line slope is 3 by 4. What about the perpendicular slope? Minus 4 by 3. Now, what about its equation? Y minus 3 is equal to minus 4 by 3 of x plus 2. That is 3y minus 9 is equal to minus 4x minus 8. That is 4x plus 3y and minus 1 is equal to 0. So, these are the two lines. This is this line and this one is that line. So, find the point of intersection. 4x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. 3x minus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. 3 minus 4 minus 1 5. 4 3 minus 4. X by 15 plus 5. 15 plus 4 19. ఇక్కడ 19 వచ్చింది చూడండి అక్కడ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ రానుంది అక్కడ 15 plus 4 and y by minus 3 minus 20 minus 23 1 by minus 16 minus 9 minus 25. So x comma y is equal to minus 19 by 25 minus 23 by 25. But x value తేడా వచ్చింది. See, oh it is here the 3 into ఇక్కడ calculation wrong రాసింది. Yes, I did the mistake here. That is when you compare 3 into 13, 39 by 25, 39 by 25 minus 9, that is 39 minus 50, that is 11 of minus 11 by 25, and here 15 minus 4, 15 minus 4 means 11, that is minus 11 by 25. The answer is minus 11 by 25. So minus 11 by 25 comma. So these are the two methods you can find the foot of perpendicular. Tomorrow we will continue the topic. Okay, right. Thank you.